Alright boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar Cheat Codes. Who wants some cheat codes? I do. This one is a cool up-tempo song, Tell Me You Love Me. So very easy, like many of these kind of songs here, up-tempo. It's same chord progression that goes through the entire song, and we have only one strumming pattern. So this one is a shorty. We love that. So let's go over the chords. We have the capo here on the first fret to match up the sound, and we will start with E minor. So that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Next chord will be C. So that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. Next is D, so that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. And the final chord will be A minor. So that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Alright, so there we have the chords, and that is the chord progression that will work through an entire song. And the same goes with this strumming pattern that we will use right now. You can play that through an entire song, even if sometimes it stops a little bit and goes just one down per chord. You will hear when, and you can just play one down. Otherwise, play this strumming that we're gonna go for now. So grab that E minor, that is the first chord, and one round of strumming will be down, down, clap, down, up. So slowly it will be like this. Alright, so down, down, clap, down, up. Down, down, clap, down, up. Alright, so pretty easy. You're gonna play 4 strumming rounds per chord. So E minor 4, C4, D4, A minor 4. So slower tempo with this chord progression, it will sound like this. And standard. And that pretty much wraps it up. Cheat codes, Tell Me You Love Me. So I hope you enjoyed this, and to do some different music, not just classical guitar songs like this. I wanted to sometimes go a little bit outside the box and challenge myself and other people. So this one is one good example. Try it out and hope to see you soon. Play tuned.